Hi, welcome to my channel where I share with you tools and workflows that save time for content creation. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can bulk produce images based on storytelling so that every image works with the other using the app I created. If you'd like to purchase this app, the link is down here in the description.
Bulk creating images that have the same story is great for creating carousel posts or B-roll, fast-moving images as a reel. Of course, you can take these images and create videos as well, which I will cover in my next tutorial, so subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is sign up to Weavy.ai. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can sign in with Google or Figma, whatever you choose. Weavy has a free subscription that gives you 150 credits a month. Since every image generation on the app is 30 credits, you can generate 5 images on the free tier. Obviously, this won't be enough for you to create content for the month, so the next subscription tier is $24 on a monthly subscription or $19 a month on a yearly subscription. This gives you 1,500 credits a month, which is 60 images. Definitely enough for creating content for the month. Next, you're going to want to paste the link that was sent to you after you purchased the app. You will see an interface like this. Here you can type in the outfit you want, the vibe, aka the scene. You can also upload an outfit reference image. Next, you'll need to upload your influencer image. This can be your AI twin or an influencer you created. You will need 3 reference images: a front-facing upper body image, a 3/4 body pose, and a full body image. For best results, your influencer should be wearing neutral clothes and have a white background. This is to avoid confusion of background and outfit in the final image output. For this tutorial, I'm going to upload a reference outfit image, which I found on Pinterest. Next, I'm going to type into the outfit box, reference image 4. This is what you should enter if you are uploading a reference image. The number 4 is important to type in so that the app knows to use your outfit image. For the vibe, I'm going to grab a description from the bonus file you received when you purchased the app. Of course, you can put in whatever you like or ask ChatGPT to give you one. Next, you'll want to decide how many runs you want. Runs is the number of images the app will output. For this tutorial, I will choose 3 runs to demo, since I am using a free account which only lets you run 5 a month. You see here the total is 90 credits. Then click on Run. You will see 3 boxes running. We're done. Let's check our images. You can see that it accurately pulled our reference outfit and the character stayed consistent. Each image is different, which is what we want for storytelling content. One of the images created a grid. I have fixed this issue so that you should only get one single image. However, this grid can also be used. You can crop each image and save them separately. Let's generate another run. I changed the run number to 1 and click the yellow Run button. That's it! Now to download, click on the down arrow on the top right of the screen. Here you can choose to download a single image or all of your images at once. Now I'm going to show you how you can generate images using only text description for the outfit instead of a reference image. I will remove the reference outfit image. I will go back to the free prompt document you received when purchasing the app and copy the outfit description and paste it into the outfit box in the app. You will still need to upload a reference image for the app to work, so you will upload the no image JPEG file you got with your purchase. Now choose the run number you want and hit the yellow Run button. You can see the woman is now wearing the outfit we entered in the description.
And that's it. You now created storytelling content with one click.
Let me know if you have any questions. You can comment on this video or contact me using the link in the description. See you next video.